course here's your script for the 2025 Vivo Y21 video, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Vivo Y21, a budget smartphone that tries to offer a premium feel without breaking your wallet. Let's get into what makes this phone stand out. Starting with the features, the Vivo Y21 comes packed with surprising power for its price. It is powered by the latest MediaTek Helio chipset, which promises smooth performance for everyday tasks. Whether you are scrolling through social media, playing light games, or streaming videos, the Y21 handles it all with ease. It runs on the newest version of touchless based on Android, giving you a clean and customizable user experience. You get a decent RAM setup paired with ample storage space, enough for your apps, photos, and downloads without worrying about lag. The phone supports a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, making unlocking fast and secure. It also includes face unlock for those who prefer a quicker touchless option. One of the best things is its battery life. The Y21 carries a massive battery that easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. Plus, it supports fast charging, so you are not stuck by a power outlet for too long. On the camera side, the Vivo Y21 offers a dual rear setup. The main sensor captures detailed shots in good lighting, and the secondary sensor helps with depth effects, giving you beautiful portrait photos. The front camera is designed for selfie lovers, delivering crisp images and smooth video calls. Vivo has also worked on AI enhancements, so even if you are not a photography expert, the phone adjusts settings automatically to help you capture the best shot. Talking about the exterior, the Vivo Y21 is definitely a head-turner. It comes with a sleek and slim body that feels premium in the hand. The back panel features a stylish gradient finish that shifts colors when light hits it. The camera module is neatly placed without looking bulky, giving the phone a modern, clean look. The frame is made from high-quality materials that make the device sturdy yet lightweight. Even though it is a budget phone, Vivo did not compromise on design, and you can feel it as soon as you pick it up. The display is another highlight. The Y21 offers a large bright screen with vibrant colors and good viewing angles. Whether you are binge-watching your favorite shows or playing games, the screen delivers an immersive experience. The bezels are kept minimal to give you more screen real estate without making the phone oversized. In conclusion, the 2025 Vivo Y21 proves that you do not have to spend a fortune to get a solid smartphone. It offers strong everyday performance, a stylish design, reliable cameras, and a battery that keeps you going all day. If you are someone looking for a dependable device without burning a hole in your pocket, the Vivo Y21 should definitely be on your list. That is it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you next time on FK iPhone. Would you like me to also give you a slightly shorter version or a few title ideas for the video?